Good day, everyone. This is Ms. Milayo. Earlier on, I sent the note on this topic, and I think I explained to the point of saying the theories of angles on a straight line, some of angles on a straight line. And if you can recall very well, I said some of angles on a straight line is equal to 180. When I have a straight line like this, and there is these two angles here, let me name this angle A and this angle B. So when I add these two angles together, it must sum up to 180 according to the theory that says sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180. Now we would solve some examples here for better understanding. So the first example we have here, this is the solution. The first example we have here, I have a line, straight line, and I have A and 130 degrees. Now I said sum of angles on the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. That is, when I say A, and see this angle A and this 130 degrees, they are both lying on the same straight line. So when I add these two angles, they must sum up to 180. And this A plus 130 degree is equal to 180 degrees. Why is this equal to 180 degrees? You give me the reasons. Sum of angles on a straight line. Now I have A plus 130 is equal to 180. So I need to make A instead of formula because it is angle A that I'm looking for. It is the unknown angle. So I collect like that. I bring this 130, I bring it to this place. And if 130 is coming here, it has an addition sign. But once it crosses this equality sign, the addition sign changes to the negative. So I have A equals to 180 minus 130 degree. Don't forget that angles are measured in degrees. Now 130 minus 180 is 50. So my A is 50 degrees. So the unknown angle here is 50 degrees. Now we can confirm if I put 50 here and it is 130 here. So 50 plus 130 is what? Is 180. So I'm actually correct. Now I told you like it's actually correct. 50 plus 180 sums up to 50 plus 130 sums up to 180 degrees. So the answer is correct. I think you understand that. Now let's move on to the second example here. Now the second example I have 25 degree B and 75. These three angles lie on the same straight line. So we are still following the first principles that says sum of angles on the straight line sums up to 180 degrees. That is that I will have 25 degree plus B plus 75 degree equals to 180. 180 degrees. So why is it equal to 180 degrees? You write the reason there. Sum of angles on a straight line. Now I will add this 25 and 75 together. 25 plus 75 gives me 100 degree plus B equals 180 degree. I collect like times here. I bring 100 here so I can make B the subject of formula because it's B that I'm looking for, the unknown angle in this question. So B will now be equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So my B is 80 degree. That is the unknown angle. Now if you put this 80 degree, if you put it here, we have 25 plus 75, that's 100. 100 plus 80 degree, that's 180 degree. Please, do you understand? This is the third example. Now if you look at this third example very well, we'll see that no angle is recorded. There is no angle written here, but actually there is an angle. And this is what you need to take note. If I have a straight line and there's another straight line that is acting perpendicular to that straight line, that line makes angle 90 degree to that straight line. Let me come again. If I have a straight line and there's another straight line this is perpendicular. So if I have a straight line that is acting perpendicular to this line like this, so this line makes angle 90 degree to the horizontal. This is horizontal line, this is vertical line, horizontal, vertical. So if the straight vertical line makes, if it's coming perpendicular to the horizontal line, it makes an angle. This angle here is called 90 degrees. So sometimes it might not be given, but this sign here, this sign makes us to know that this angle that is here is 90 degrees. Please, do you understand? Such that x plus this 90 degree, I must have 180 degree. Do you understand? So what's the reason? Sum of angles on a straight line. Now, to make x the subject of formula here, I bring 90 here. So x now equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. So my x here is also what? 90 degree. So my x here too is 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180. You don't even need to go through all this stress. Just get it simple. If I have a straight line, horizontal, an horizontal straight line, and the vertical straight line is acting on it like this, and it's acting perpendicular to that horizontal line like this. So the angle they make is 90 degree, 90 degree here, 90 degree here. That is why I intentionally solved this for you to prove it. Like when there's a straight line and a vertical straight line is acting perpendicular to that horizontal straight line, they make 90 degree at the left side and at the right side. So this is also, this is, if this is 90, this is automatically 90 degrees. So you can see that when we solve this, actually got 90 degrees. Do you understand? Yeah, this one, different rays are striking this plane. Now let me say the angle that is formed here is 30 degrees. The one that is formed here is 20 degrees. The one that is formed here is y, which is the unknown angle, and the angle formed here is 40 degrees. So you see the same principle. As angles, sum of angles on a straight line is 180. So that when I had this angle with this, I must get 180 degrees. So I will have them 30 degree plus 20 degree plus y plus 40 degree is equal to 180. You must state your reasons anytime you solve. Sum of angles on a straight line. So I need to add 30 plus 20 degrees, 50 degree. 50 degree plus 40 degree is 90 degrees. So I have, 90 degree plus y is equal to 180. When I make y subject of formula, I have y is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So I have y is equal to 90 degrees. So my y here is 90 degrees. You can check this at your convenience. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus 90 is 140. 140 plus 40 is actually 180 degrees. So these are the examples on the principle that states that sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180. So you can go over it, and I think with these examples you will understand the principle very well. Thank you. Your class will be communicated to you later and your assignment.